Personal milestone, medyo mahirap din yung question. Personal milestone, I should say, it's really a culmination, all of that, what I have done.
Right.
Or what I am doing. Kasi hindi pa naman tayo tapos diba? Tuloy-tuloy tayo. So the milestone really is na I'm able to support X number of businesses,
Yes.
Yeah.
X number of employees, diba? Be it marginalized or not, right? So it's being able to set up these kinds of businesses with purpose. So all of
Yes.
those, yun yung masasabi kong milestone.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, still a long journey ahead of me, diba? And my founders, no? So tuloy-tuloy pa rin kami.
That's
So sana mas marami kaming matulungan.
Sobrang galing. Sobrang galing. Congratulations, Sis Joy, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa nyo. Kasi everything really goes back to the purpose of how you can help other people do their businesses as well.
Correct,
Sobrang
correct.
galing talaga.
This is Benta Bosses by Quotable AI.